This is the weekly check on the Hungry Bin with the red wigglers, actually the red worms. Let's check up on here. I do see lots of red mites. Okay, let's see what we have here. We fed pumpkin, I think, last week. There are no pumpkins that I can see. There are worms throughout, and it is warm. There were a bunch of them at the top prior, but no, I don't see any. I don't know where they went. Where'd they go? Well, they are throughout, so I can't say they're not here. There's just not a lot at the top. So they must have all started back down after they were done munching on the pumpkin or whatever was fed last week. I don't know if you could see that. There's a pumpkin skin. That's about it that's left. Thing though, it did smell. I could smell it. You know, during the week, but nothing for the past couple days. Dig in the middle like I always do to find. There's another good guy with, looks like it's gonna have a cocoon pretty soon. There's a, well, that's not that young, but I'd say it's a juvenile. Let's see, something's wrong with this light here. It's a little bit better. Well, there's no food here from last week. Good thing. So it'll just be the same as before. There's a lot still of the unprocessed, but there's a lot of castings here as well. Look at that. Nice mixture of castings and cardboard. Okay. I'm going to do something just a little teeny bit different. Whoops. I am going to put some eggshell down before giving them some food. Get the eggshell here. ground eggshell. And now food. Looks like there's a bit of watermelon, some corn husk, banana peel, orange or tangerine, I think they're tangerine peels. Anything else here? What's this? Looks like a little bit of tomato. Yeah, just a teeny bit of tomato. I'm going to feed him a little bit more from another bag. Ran out of food from that bag. I think they can handle a little bit more. That's quite a bit of more watermelon rinds. That should be good. And some worm chow. I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put on some dry bedding. On top. Let me cover that up a little bit more. I think I need just a little bit more. I'm going to put a handful of this. Boy. Alright, and now see, I'm going to be putting a little bit of, what is this? Mosquito dunks. They're crushed up. Crushed mosquito dunks. As well as some coral calcium. And since that is dry bedding, I'm going to try to completely cover the bedding. See what happens next week, because normally I use moist bedding. But this keeps in. I'll just let it breathe on the outside a little bit in case they need some air. And that's it. And we'll see how it goes next week. Thank you for coming on this journey with me.